Welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming today. Today, I will tell you a slow and simple story. A story about dreams, patience, and success. Title: The Quiet Steps of Success. Slow English story. Read calmly. In a small village, there lived a young girl named Anya. Anya was not very confident. She spoke very slowly. She was afraid to make mistakes. When people spoke English, Anya stayed silent. She listened, but she never spoke. Every morning, Anya woke up early. She helped her mother. She cleaned the house. Then she sat near the window. She watched people going to work. She watched students going to school. Inside her heart, she had one dream: I want to speak good English. But fear stopped her. One day, Anya went to the village library. It was quiet, very quiet. She found an old English book. The book was simple. The sentences were short. She smiled. That day, Anya made a small promise to herself. I will read one page every day. Not 10 pages. Not 5 pages. Only one page. Day 1. She read slowly. She read aloud. Her voice was low. She made mistakes, but she did not stop. Day 2. She read again. Some words felt easy. Some words felt difficult. But she continued. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Anya was still slow. But now she was not afraid. One evening, her friend asked her a question in English. Anya's heart beat fast. She paused. Then she spoke. Slowly, clearly. Her sentence was not perfect, but it was honest. Her friend smiled. That smile changed everything. Anya felt something new: confidence. She started speaking a little every day. In the mirror, with her friends, with strangers. She stopped waiting for perfection. She focused on progress. One day, Anya was asked to speak on a small stage. She felt nervous. Her hands were shaking. Her voice was slow. But she spoke. The people listened. They did not laugh. They did not judge. They clapped. Anya understood one important truth. Success is not fast. Success is quiet. Success comes step by step. Today, Anya still speaks slowly, but she speaks confidently. She still learns every day, and she smiles because she never stopped trying. Moral of the story: don't be afraid to be slow. Be afraid to stop.